Hello there, great person, and welcome back to Let's Watch Some The Expanse. Today, episode 9 of season 3, and we flew to the ring. Let's see what is inside the ring. I don't know, but it's awesome. That was a big cliffhanger, as always, and I'm just gonna go figure out what it was about, hopefully. I just hope they tell me some stuff, and we'll see what the behemoth situation will be about, and yeah, I'm excited, so let's not wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. If you like my videos, share them, like them, hype them up as always. And we'll just get in, have some fun with the Expanse. Let's go. So, Behemoth, what are you doing?
What the fuck are you smiling at?
Yeah, I also wonder about that.
Fire a weapon then. Backscatter through again. The torpedo detonated. We should have seen an explosion.
Yeah, perhaps.
What are you doing? Chief Engineer Naomi Nagata, what are you
Yeah,
doing?
that's a good question.
I understand this is a difficult moment for you.
He's actually
But we
pretty
have power
compassionate.
plants throughout the ship, and I want you.
I don't work for you.
I mean,
And I
he's
don't work
correct
for
though.
ambassadors.
I really like this.
Killed them.
Hate me later.
Yeah.
Work now.
Awesome, man. Yeah. Holy fuck. Tell her. Like, I get Naomi, but man, do your fucking job here. They're all dead otherwise.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I really love Ashford here. He's like, that smile was evil. though. But yeah. Ooh. So we do have inverted dimension space. This is basically like a black hole. Like, it's not completely like a black hole, but it's like if you go into a black hole, the universe will look like this from inside from close to the event horizon, if I recall correctly. So we have weird Stargate time, and the torpedo is following them. Okay. So what actually the fuck is going on? Okay, so they're still alive.
That torpedo engine, it's burning like crazy, man.
Yeah.
It's not gaining, but that thing should have rammed itself up our tailpipe by now.
Yeah. So what exactly is happening here?
Around here, the torpedo was going too fast.
What does that mean?
I kept saying we had to slow down.
Yeah, perhaps.
Like fast around here, something gets nervous and grabs them.
That's actually pretty cool.
Ain't natural.
It's intelligent, so...
Are we in some kind of a gas cloud?
No, you are in inverted dimension something.
So much damn interference.
That's really interesting. Are they gonna do bubble universe shit? What is he doing? Oh, his Jones thing.
Correction,
Is she in on him being an asshole though? Ooh.
It's heading here.
It's going for a weird nucleus. It's like its cell.
What the hell?
I've been seeing him since the ring turned on.
Joe Miller?
That's
the guy
very
who died
interesting,
on
yeah.
Venus?
Maybe he isn't exactly dead.
Maybe he isn't exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
I
a great
love
conversation
this.
for us to have. One
Still locked out of comms and weapons. I don't
Yeah,
want to
and
get
out of
anyone
drive.
firing. Okay, do we have any thoughts on how that happened?
These fucking assholes. Amos is like, you little shit. Oh my god, Amos. Hit him in the face. Amos, thanks. Yeah,
Amos?
very good.
Message with somebody. It wasn't you and it wasn't Alice.
Yeah,
Us, we were
Snooping around the machine shop.
yeah, very interesting.
Or so we could get nav and comm logs back.
Oh, so he did it. Oh, he also fucked Phantom.
I didn't know.
That's awesome.
Weird.
Hey, we got something coming through the ring.
Okay, what's it?
Small.
Ooh, what is that? Another spaceship. Whose spaceship is that?
Looks like a probe.
Yeah, okay, prop. Any information get out of the ring though? We don't know that if it's like an event horizon.
Backing out.
Oh, so they can get out. Really interesting. Very weird space they're in.
Else is coming through.
Oh, holy fuck, what's that? Oh, it's the whole
Looks like
ship.
a Schusen.
The Schusen. What is the Schusen? Looks like mask?
There's no way to tell.
Interesting. Are they gonna fire them inside the
Talking
ring?
about this, that could you ready to give up this ship?
No.
Interesting, man.
Going.
Let's fucking go.
Your torpedoes
want to-
won't work any better than the last one.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, they would work if they're slower.
To that ship.
Yeah. Just hit him enough, so.
You were gonna tell him, fuck this ship.
I love it, man. I love that Amos instantly realized those shits were this. I don't know what I did. Like, what a brained fucker. Awesome. I really love this we're inside the mumbo jumbo bubble thing with weird inverted physics. Perhaps it's not completely inverted. Like, the physics have to be a little bit stable because otherwise their atoms would like disperse and shit. Yeah. Is Miller still here? And now he can just like call him. Yeah. What is it? What is he doing? Praying? That's so funny, man. He's gone now, though, probably because his thing is done. Like, he was a tool, and it has been used by the ring now. I think. Yes. Oh, I forgot Avasarala was a thing.
I am to Corlia Station on Titan for debriefing.
Very interesting.
Return transport.
Oh, she looks a bit sad.
From there.
She looks a bit sad,
I
yeah.
would not take your braving.
Yeah.
You see, they offering triple hazard pay for.
Oh, she's here, yeah. What is her
I'm
plan?
gonna have all.
I didn't know that.
What? She's like,
sleeping
oops.
one off. Died the way you live.
Show some respect.
Yeah, I love that. She really cares.
We should probably clean out his locker.
She really cares that he died as well and she killed him. So I like that. Very good. Very well acted again. Hope she gets more roles.
I understand. I do. I just.
Oh, this dude, I think I know him. Where do I know him from?
Only they were away.
And what is there? Is there a way?
I'm sure you'll have a lovely time.
So what are they gonna do?
Join it?
Oh, she's creepy. She's really creepy. Oh, a flashback, okay.
It's at your own party.
So they know each other. Potentially. What was happening? Is it their away party? Their, like, sayonara party? Before they headed away? Very interesting stuff. So we do have a new backplot about stuff, so...
Not asking for your permission.
You are not going
Oh,
to
Mao's here.
humiliate this family.
Is not my problem.
You both do this later.
Oh, she's a Mao.
Go whoring around the belt.
Interesting.
what you think I am?
So she's a Mao. Ooh,
You're going to
I
announce your
love
retirement from the
that.
racing team.
Father who cares more about what everyone else thinks.
I love that
about
Julie's
me?
back a bit. Or is she the mother? I can't tell her age. I am not sure. Probably not the mother though, no.
I gave you everything.
Nah. I mean, Mao pretty much wasn't an arsehole, he was just misguided. So you know what I mean? Like, there's a difference. So and there she goes to her death. So is it dead or... Oh, so she was on the racing team, the other one, I think? No.
My sister comes to her senses.
Okay, so she's the sister. Oh. So Julie was on the racing team. That's actually pretty cool as well. So she's completely undercover. Don't they know she's a Mao? Like, what the fuck? She must, her face must be plastered all over the fucking place. That looks awesome, man. I love this bizarro world. I love the gravity lensing as well.
I never met them.
So you just did it.
I don't know, but will this help?
I love that he at least cooperates. Eamon's gonna kill him probably, but...
Help you fix the comms?
Interesting, yeah.
Damned if I know. That's a Naomi.
Yeah, I was about to say Naomi's missing. The engineer's missing.
I'll take it from here.
Uh-oh. What does he mean? Brilliant. Okay. That's...
You did this.
Holy.
Have to answer for kill her.
Awesome. Like, not also like, I do like her, but...
Let him answer.
Yeah, she wasn't part of this. I like that though. I like her. Holy fuck, man. Ooh, I love the gravity lensing. Oh. Okay, so this is... Was this a torpedo they launched? Or was this an... No, LRP-02. I think this is a shuttle. So I love, like, look at this. I don't know, like, you could probably not, like, I know I have to make the screen so small, but, like, the gravity lensing is so beautiful. Like, I just love these technologies. Like, for me personally, in sci-fi writing, there are two types of sci-fi, actually. And I do think, and you can tell me if you have the same thought, but I always said it, and I always use, like, in my sci-fi I currently write, I use it as well to prove that the civilization we're with is not a low one anymore. And that is gravity technology. Gravity technology is basically like this big next step. We don't have gravity technology like anti-gravity, space-time bending, a wormhole creation. Like, gravity control is basically like this big step up in civilization. So for me, it's always like, if a civilization can control gravity, they are so much more advanced already, and they're so much more interesting because they can become a bit more different than we are. They're still understandable because we might know the people in the civilization, but like gravity engineering makes them a bit more insane. And like, for example, in my sci-fi story, I make them able to move planets onto other orbits. And in the story, it's like Earth was abandoned, and some people fled it and came back with new technology. And basically then Earth was abandoned, and they made Venus the new capital planet, and they terraformed Venus into a blue planet and gravity engineered Venus's orbit and stuff so it would be similar to Earth. And that is like a very big thing, because that's like, what the fuck? Like, that's a whole new caliber of technology, and I just love that. And I love that they use this here to indicate basically that the alien intelligence we encounter here is higher than we are, and so much more advanced. I love the detail. So tell me what you think about gravity engineering. I just love that thing. I think that's what sets like there's basically for me sci-fi where it's not a possibility and where it is a possibility, and those are the categories. Where it's not a possibility is very often more like today a bit more advanced, like it's like close to our lives still. And if they have gravity engineering, the sci-fi is a lot more distant in the future, at least in my feeling. It's not literally in years, perhaps, and necessarily, but like the feeling I have. The moment they have gravity engineering, the feeling I have is far more to the future. Can still be grim, dark and stuff, but it's like that's what I think is something keeping, like that's distinguishing sci-fi. That's two levels of sci-fi I have in my head or in my gut. And I would love to hear your opinion on that. So this is a shuttle. I don't know. And I was like, yeah, fuck off, man.
Launched a couple of probes.
Oh, probe. Okay, it's just a probe.
Faster until it got stopped by.
Interesting. Yeah. So they test out the speed limit thing.
How fast was it
Oh, they're going to be dragged into the center. Yeah. That's actually pretty quick.
Is accelerating to mass.
Yeah.
Incidentally, is more than we're doing. So
yeah,
they're gonna catch us.
Interesting.
I'm not interested.
Another probe.
Yes.
It's not going through the ring.
But.
It's heading towards the bubble.
Ooh, yeah. If it wants to pop it, what's gonna happen? That's actually really interesting. Where are you gonna emerge? Okay.
Lost that second probe.
Did it blow up? It might have hyperjumped. That was like, they looked like a hyperspace jump. Sorry, I will go back. I have to see that effect. Like, it didn't get vaporized necessarily. It could have been vaporized, or it could have been accelerated into hyperspace or something. Let me see. Okay. I don't know. It looks a bit like a hyperspace window from Stargate, but I don't know. Perhaps it's just destroyed.
What do you mean? Blinked out of existence.
No, so it...
should probably keep away from the edges then.
I don't think so. It either got completely destroyed and absorbed into the ring's energy coding, or it was accelerated beyond their understanding.
We have until then to figure out another option.
Awesome. I kind of want them to exit the... like, go into the bubble and, like, exit in another fucking... stupid payment ads shit bullshit fuck. By the way, look at this. I know this is German, you don't care. I don't care either. But like it says 2 minutes advertisement. Fuck off. I'm paying for Amazon Prime, you shits. Like, man. Like, I'm not sailing the high seas to watch this show, so show me some fucking respect. I don't know. I think that's predatory almost. Oh my god, Gordon Ramsay dubbed. Oh fuck me, I will let that in. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was Gordon Ramsay dubbed, man? What a crime. He has such an awesome voice. I love Gordon Ramsay, man. Holy fuck. And by the way, the shitty advert is still going. This fucking cringe frickers. Just like, let's just talk about the fucking advertisement. Like, they were so boring, they were uninspired, they were really stupidly lame, their texts were shit, they didn't use no psychological tactics other than power, naming everything. They were just fucking assholes. The only thing I liked was Christoph Waltz in the middle. They fucking dubbed Gordon Ramsay. Fuck off, man. I don't know. I'm not gonna rant too much, I want to see the show, but I will probably cut some of the advertisement in. So give me more stuff. Whoever advertised, like, I don't know. I just sat through 2 minutes of shit, whatever. Yeah, very interesting. Oh, will the behemoth go in? That would be so awesome. Also, I love that it is, again, electromagnetic interference and gravity engineering. It's basically implying that the aliens found the unified field theory to manipulate space-time and everything with electricity and stuff. It's so awesome. You still haven't put Naomi into the fucking cell. I don't know. Oh no, she's just working. At least she's working.
When the grid be stabilized?
Yeah, that's a good
We'll have it
question.
patched by end of generation.
Yeah,
not
we have
for
to remember
battle.
that.
But it's the tool we have.
Yeah, that's so true.
Your friend survived.
Very interesting.
What?
Yeah. The MCRM poked their head.
I love that he immediately goes to her to, like, fuck with her a bit and manipulate her, likely.
Samantha had been destroyed.
Where's the ship
Awesome.
damaged?
I wants to push her to repair the ship as well.
We're going through.
We didn't go all
Yeah.
the way out.
Oh, that's so awesome. I kind of like it. And he wants to push her here to engineer better. And she's now motivated to really fucking go. I love that. I love that.
Never wanted them dead.
You fired on them.
Yeah, of course. That's so funny.
But I would have done the same.
Yeah, I like him so much, man.
If they'd blamed us for this,
Yeah, everything would be over.
we all fight.
He's being framed.
Yeah, I do think he believes her.
You're okay with killing innocent people.
The greater means.
That just makes it worse.
No.
What if they protect mine?
Yeah.
I
Is
know
that...
you feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we put your old crew in danger.
Yeah.
Guilt is like salt. You put a
Okay.
little on, it hides all the bitterness.
I love it.
What you're on about.
I love it.
I miss my... Tynan was a good ship, good people.
Okay.
Mascaparata in the build.
Yeah.
I outgrew.
Yeah.
Outgrew your ship.
Interesting.
Makes us forget.
Hmm.
Remember only the good
Interesting. I
times.
love this dude.
And we start thinking, oh, maybe we can get him back.
Yeah, but you couldn't.
Remember?
It's not so wrong to try.
Yeah. Dream of the past. Yeah, you get stuck in the past, you die sometimes. Yeah.
You'll regret it badly.
He's probably right.
Your old crew,
Long before I left the Rosie.
and now
Yeah.
you're back here with us.
Interesting.
We need you. Fair enough.
He is really awesome as a cap. Like, I would like, as I said, I would want to show, did I say it last time, with him as a captain of a ship, Amos as, Amos, Naomi, him. I know Holden's awesome, but Holden's story feels so tied to this story. But if there's a spin-off with him, and I don't even know if he survives, he will probably likely bite it someday down the line. But like, he would make such an awesome starship captain. I know he's manipulated a bit sometimes, and here he's manipulating her a bit as well, but he also is wise, and he is truly, like, he could have just said they survived, so she patches up the ship, but he gave her advice, and it was good advice, because that's a problem. Like, if you are stuck in the past, like, because we tend to remember just the bad and the good stuff and not the middle stuff, so you may write your own fairy tale of your past, and it can never be back. It can't. The situation changed, the people age, their people change. And I love that he said that here, and it is very, very, very fair. And him saying, like, I had to fire on them because otherwise we would have been dead. Yes. So it's the same situation that was with, like, basically them killing the infected crew on Eros. It was Eros? On Eros, yeah. The infected, like, the potentially infected medics. They fired at them as well. It was the same situation again. And I love that this situation comes up so much and the characters grapple with it. I know that it's very well done. And doesn't give you an answer ever. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad in consequences. It's just like an option and it's always horrible. We have to remind ourselves of that. I think that's the point of these scenes and these situations coming up again and again. So.
Hoss?
Hoss?
Everything okay in there?
Who was Hoss, the woman or the man? Oh, boss. He said boss. Okay.
I would have called him no Miller.
No, but there might be another thing. It's like he's just trying to contact Miller. I mean, that's a good job. That was actually pretty fucking funny. Miller, you should come back. I don't think he will be back. There might be another one though. Oh, he's just venting her.
You can't space now. Yes, I can.
Yeah, of course.
The only way to communicate is in person.
Yeah.
And Mars isn't looking to arrest them for stealing a ship, so.
That's actually pretty reasonable.
Put your lid on. You know how when he.
Yeah.
I mean, the man's blind.
Oh, he's blind. Yeah, someone said in the comments, I didn't realize he's blind. That's not stupid.
Wait. Tell them what really happened, please.
Yeah. I mean, she fucked it up by bringing this fucker. She's responsible for him, so yeah. Let's see where this goes. Also, outside, do they even know if there's space outside? There might be weird quantum jackal fuckery. She's like, what the fuck are you doing, man? If I was her, I would have smacked the face out of him as well. Yeah, what's gonna happen here? What's she gonna do here? There's a reason she's here, isn't it?
It from Titan.
Yeah, she probes her.
I was just trying to make you feel good.
Yeah.
They won't be the same at all.
Yeah.
For actually being here.
Yeah, and they have windows they can just look out. Ooh, that's a very... Yeah. She's not shipping out.
Really? Yes, I'm
Oh,
married.
that's funny.
You're not leaving, are you?
Yeah, she knows.
No. How did you manage that?
Yeah, I love it.
Well, technically.
That's funny. Okay.
Sounds good. Officers about to retire.
Yes, and?
And job at one of my mother's companies.
Ooh, really awesome.
Why would you want that? Why do you?
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm an aging, thrill-seeking.
Yeah, it's just a bit like Mao. The rich people here seem to be all thrill-seeking ass fucks. But, I mean, it's okay. Like, why not? It's like going into a sub into Titanic, like, you know what I mean, with the controller. Sorry, it's like...
Changes everything, and
No.
close. If I said I felt called,
Yeah.
it would.
That's funny.
What's out there?
Mhm.
Closer.
I love that she's also flirtatious with her a bit.
Want to be a part of something amazing.
Yeah, that's about what it is.
Yeah.
Hero to the solar system, my ass.
Yeah, I don't know.
Makes you wonder what else he was lying about.
Everything he said he did.
Dust just catch him. We'll know for sure.
Yeah. So what is she gonna do here, Sister Mao? I don't know her name, so it's Sister Mao now. Is there her bloody outfit or something? Oh, oh, she goes to his locker. Oh, that's so sad, man. He had a little son.
He's not gonna need it.
What an asshole.
Hey,
I love that she reused it. It was probably her first kill.
put you in for a promotion.
Oh wow.
Melba Co.
Melba
New and has
Co.
some gaps. There's some good. She has some real
Oh.
potential with a little mentoring.
Oh,
She's an
no.
outstanding technician, worth investing in.
Oh, that's so sad, man. Man, this Melba Mao, I would just call her Sister Mao because Melba's not her real name. I don't know. But I really love the character. Like, she clearly I don't know why she does the bullshittery she's doing, but she clearly killed, I don't know, but I think that was her first kill. Because she's so fucking guilty. And they show us why she should be guilty, and it's very awesome, man.
Not tonight.
Kind of want her to join the main cast, a bit like drama. Draper, you know, I was confused the two.
They're not just going to talk about you.
Yeah, perhaps.
It's going to be about bother. You humiliated us.
Does she care though? Oh, my bottle! Stop it! Oh, that is littering, madam. That is littering.
Heaven and earth for you. What? Tired of you and your holier than thou crap.
I kind of get her point. I mean, Julie was a good person, but she seems to be very self-centered.
Saving humanity from itself. Do you even know how condescending you are?
Yeah.
You're such a narcissist.
That is true. That is true. Like,
Not
she's...
walk away from me. Don't you dare. I am through being humiliated by you.
Okay, so...
My father is a damaged man.
Yeah, of course he is. And she's probably right. Still, I love that Julia has the character flaw of being this narcissistic asshole, but, like, she earned that, so it's kind of cool, you know what I mean? Based on what we know, we know that. Why does she do this, though? Because she wants to live up to Mao? Mao's in prison, I think. We've seen him, but I love that the actor's still here.
But now.
Nope. Shit. So Holden, have you talked to Miller or another appearance? We might get the spy back or something.
Maybe going through the ring broke him. I don't know.
Yeah, because he's not needed. His purpose was to get you here, the work, but they want more. They want something with them. So I guess someone else, like, could Julie appear? What would her message be? Julie was an adventurer. That could be something. That would be something that the ring entity intelligence could use. Or the spy that, like, got gobbled up on Eros.
It's gonna take a shipyard to fix her.
Oh, that's so sad.
Talk to anyone and we can't shoot our way out.
Yeah, so what are you gonna do?
I wouldn't put in a good word for us.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really count on them.
Yeah, me
Alex thinks
neither.
I was too hard on them.
I don't think you were too hard on them.
Being gentle.
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of wish you'd run it by me first.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Okay.
It's alright, yeah.
So what are we gonna do?
Fuck, man. Like, perhaps I like Amos too much, so I don't condone what he did, but like,
We'll clear our names.
yeah,
Maybe for the terrorism thing, but they're gonna take the Rossi.
that's true. They will take the Rossi. But the Rossi's currently gone.
Either that or I didn't think it'd end like this.
Yeah, that's so sad. Like, I don't think Cohen will put in a word, but the woman whose name I forgot might. Oh, that looks so awesome. That looks so fucking awesome. Event Horizon. Oh, they are so close now. We've had shots of the ring in the distance like this the past 2 episodes, and now they're suddenly there. Very interesting. So who actually commanded them to blow up the ship? Like, Sister Mao, she blew up the ship. Why? Who commanded her? And is she being blackmailed as well? What did she do there? He saw something. I don't know what she did. Let me actually rewatch that. Come on. Undocked. Oh, she's undocking something. Docked, undock, okay. Assigned. I don't know what exactly she did. I'm sorry. I'm too dumb. I guess she cleared a ship or something.
This is your captain.
Yeah, so let's see.
This is your moment.
Yeah, let's see what's happening.
That's your sharpness.
Fear is the little
That's
death.
your power.
Let's go.
We are belters.
I love that he just helps her as well.
Foreign to
I
us.
wonder what his ulterior motive is.
The place we go.
That's cool,
is
man.
the place we belong. This is
Like, it's almost shamanic chanting. War chanting.
more right to this.
That's awesome. I love the scene, man. And she's very good at delivering a speech here. Good actress as well. I mean, we know that, but
Call it their own.
yeah.
The belt.
That's so fucking awesome. Let's go.
We are belong to us.
Yeah, very brilliant. Now we're still the one that's not doing it. Barcelona! Holy fuck, yeah. He really knows how to command and rile people and stuff, man. Ashford is such a fucking chat, man. Ooh, there they go in. It's exactly like fucking Stargate. I love it. Man, I miss Stargate so much, and they cancelled a new show, the fucking pricks. No, let's fucking go. What's gonna happen? Whoop. I mean, they had that effect for 30 years now, so probably just...
Are you on the skiff too?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
I'm good. Ensign, you're out of uniform.
Okay.
Come with me, please.
No, I can't.
What? What are they doing?
And it was not whatever the hell that thing is.
Yeah, interesting.
You saw what happened to the Arby gas.
Oh god, yeah.
Up on Titan. I'm not going through that thing.
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah, there's military.
No, I can't go through.
Yeah, he's afraid.
There are rules. I can't.
I thought you wanted to see it.
Yeah, no, he just said that. He's afraid.
I can't.
Yeah. I mean, they take people and force them to go in, so it's also very fucked up.
It's not going to happen twice.
Yeah, I mean...
Go. If it were just me, I would.
But...
I have a family.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's so good, man. I love that. Yeah, man. And she's like, I have family too, and she doesn't care here. She's basically spitting in her face here without knowing it, probably. Yeah.
At the foot of a false idol.
Yeah, I love it.
I was wrong before.
Awesome
God's
character.
not with us out here.
Yeah. It's the devil. I love it. Love it, man. That was very well acted again. And very good dialogue. And I love that, man. Holy fuck. So, Anna. What are you gonna do now? Where's this gonna lead?
Hello, my
Oh, she's recording the message.
say this, but
Yeah. love you, perhaps?
Through the ring.
Yeah.
I won't get this message until
Yeah.
I've already
Yeah.
done it. And
Yeah, awesome. That's awesome. No, that was wrong. Will she try that again? Oh, she's still here. Okay. So she's supposed to go through this her mission? I don't know.
we haven't actually met. I'm Anna.
What's she doing? Track her course
My name is
predictors.
Melba.
Being aboard for the transit?
Interesting.
Me too.
She's so afraid,
Now that
man.
I've committed.
I know what that's like.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
That's cool,
Why
man.
did you decide to stay?
Yeah, what did you make? What made you decide to stay? Oh, there's her, the Razorback, yeah.
Bitch finally left.
Yeah.
Talk about your sister that way.
He's such an asshole. I love him. That was a good retort.
That's true.
Yeah. Man, the Mao actor so much. I love him. I don't know what he's called, but I've seen him stuff. I don't know where, and I really love him.
She has the will to take our name into the future.
Yeah, and you
She
don't.
refuses
Basically, he
to
says
stop,
that.
Even by me.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Holy fuck.
Parties.
Holy shit, man. Holy shit, what an asshole. I love it. So, what Rudy... So she wants approval. She wants approval.
If you'll excuse me.
Perhaps she wants to go through to prove her father that she can do something. But I don't know why she's blowing up the ship. Did that actually force them to go through? Might be. They were on the way anyway, I think, but I'm not sure. No, they didn't even know you could go through the ring. Now that I just realized they don't know. They didn't know. They still have QR codes. Awesome. I didn't realize that they didn't know the ring could be passed when they went there. So yeah. But then yeah. What are you doing here?
You don't know me, but I worked with your father.
Okay.
Ren was a friend to me, and I'm sorry he's gone.
Aww.
I need to get a message to my father.
Awesome.
Everything you feared about the proto-molecule has come to pass.
As she works for him and she knows.
Held as a visionary.
But she would want to because she loves him still.
Destroy the man who brought you low.
Okay, James Holden. So you want to blow up James Holden because, I mean, I get that.
I just wanted you to know that.
But don't you realize that your father's a fucked up asshole? Like, I like that. I love that. I really love that. Okay, so her motive is to... Oh, so she was also the one that... Okay, I'm very sorry for being this slow. So she was also the one... So she's not being blackmailed or anything. She's the mastermind behind this plot. So she blew up the ship, and then she had the news team do the message thing. That was her as well. So she's undercover. She just wants to make Holden suffer, apparently. Which, yes, I guess it is like... It is realistic that she wants to protect it onto someone, even though it was Mao's own fault and she knows the proto-molecule and stuff. So, but she blames Holden and she wants to make him proud by avenging him, perhaps. Yeah, okay, I get it. That's cool. That's good. And she doesn't understand that she's becoming a horrible person, even more horrible than probably before. I mean, she was sympathetic before, but she's probably horrible in some parts. But now that she killed someone, she actually realized that she might have paid a price too big already. A very awesome writing. Access denied. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that in that weird voice. Access denied.
Was being paranoid.
No.
He said to keep anyone from deserting.
I love that.
I say, why would anyone desert now?
No.
So.
I love it. So he saw her. So, okay, so with the sliders, she basically allowed a ship to take off. Okay, I knew it was something with the docking, but okay, she prepared. Okay, yeah.
I came back for the wrong reasons. I'm a wrong reason now.
Interesting. So they indeed have a relationship.
The belt is
in a way.
blood.
Like not a love relationship in the like yes, like this, but I would say probably yeah. So they are an item, I guess.
Oh, I was leaving.
Yeah, that's so awesome.
I was being
But Ashford is correct as well.
nostalgic.
Yeah. Oh, so Ashford's talk made her realize that the battles with the nostalgia, not the Rosie, and the Rosie is her recent thing. I love it. Uh-oh. And now? What's gonna happen? I love it.
You underestimate me.
Yeah, she loves her as well. So, yeah. Sometimes you have to let the people go. I love that she still has the Tycho thing.
Out there.
Oh, that's funny. Oh. I would have liked them to have more time, though. They really fit together. I ship them hard. I don't know, you know. I ship them more than her and Holden, actually. So, let's see. Are we finally gonna have something happen with him here in his room?
What are you slowing down for? You were doing fine.
Ah, thank fuck.
I want to know exactly what you...
Okay, so because he slowed down, he has to tell him
Talk
no.
about the non-local quantum hologram.
Okay.
The phase conjugate adaptive waves resonating in microtubules in the brain.
Okay.
Which of course requires some close time-like curves and a Lorentzian manifold.
Okay, so that was a lot that made sense. I just have to put it. Okay. So he basically switched off his surface, and he's like, okay, let's talk fucking reality. So now it's seems like more of the proto-molecular knowledge and stuff is in.
Exactly what you...
Okay.
Oh. So you want to talk about the non-local quantum hologram?
A non-local quantum hologram. Okay, it is obviously mumbo jumbo, but non-local quantum is basically the idea that because quantum space is a higher dimensional space, in space-time, so to speak, depending on how you interpret it, you have non-locality, which is like from our 3D perspective, 2 points are at different places, but in quantum, in the quantum world, they're the same place. It's basically micro or wormholes. I have not yet completely gone through it, but I did write a paper once with my PhD supervisor, and he mainly wrote the most part. I just helped him develop some ideas a bit, but he's a genius, so I won't take credit for it, but I worked on it a bit, and it was fun. That basically all interactions between particles are wormhole creations. So, and I don't know if it's probably known before, but I realized it through that. Because we did express quantum. So I will talk. Okay, let's start here. So normally you have 2 languages you can speak quantum theory in, and they are the same, like they're isomorphic. You can transfer them between each other. One is like more analytical quantum physics descriptions, like functions, like a wave function. And the wave function, it's a prominent one. So the wave function is like analytical, like it's an equation with parameters to plug in and stuff. And you can express the same thing with matrices, with algebraic ideas. And they're the same, they're just a different mathematical approach. And like they are isomorphic, you can easily show, I think every undergrad has shown that. But it's so the idea is that you have like the language of algebra, and you've got the language of functions like analysis. And both of them can be used to talk about quantum physics. They say the same thing, but they're just different ways of writing it down, of thinking about it. And the really fun thing, and it is something that is done currently, still being done currently, is that there's a third mathematical language that has not been used that much to describe quantum physics, which is topology. So this thing about manifolds here, for example, I think, yeah, with manifolds. And I'm a bit rusty. It was 10 years ago, so don't shoot me if I get some of the words here wrong, because I haven't done this high-level mathematics for a long time, and I struggled with it because it was hard. Because I'm more a psychology dude than a physics dude, but I still like we did this, and manifolds are obviously something. I didn't actually see what the manifold thing in topology is. I'm sad that I have to look it up. It's like 10 years. I hope you understand why I have to look it up. Okay, I'm really stupid. So no, it is indeed topology. Yeah, I mean manifolds are something that's mathematical theory, and it basically resembles, so it's basically you try to create Euclidean space, which is X, Y, and Z are in 90 degrees on each other. And like if you reduce quantum topological objects, you can basically model them with 3-dimensional things locally. But because it is non-local, as they say here, like the manifolds, it's not a manifold. Like it is a manifold, but like the quantum objects, so to speak, are high-dimensional objects that you can model three-dimensionally locally, like in some areas, which is basically what you do when you measure. You just measure one interaction, and there you can have Euclidean ideas, but it's more than that. And that's why quantum physics is like, it's the high-dimensional space I talked about. Anyway, so topology is exactly what you can talk about. And what I did a lot was, and my supervisor mainly as well, but like I started it in, so I will, you know what, story time, I will just tell you a bit about it, because I don't know if I've talked about it in this reaction series, what I did there. And it's been some time, so I might be rusty. And it's not completely new, it's just expressing it in a new language. So it's nothing new in that I broke through physics, but I did talk about physics in a new language, or my supervisor did, and I was like talking to him and developing some stuff, but it's mainly him. Like, I want to make that clear, like he was the genius, because he knew more math than I did anyway, because I didn't have a complete mathematical background that a physicist has, because I did study both physics and mathematics for being a teacher once. So I did have some catching up to do over the years in mathematics, and never really managed in some areas, and I'm weak in some. And I'm not going to tell you I'm the superstar in mathematics here. But anyway, so the idea is basically what I did in my master's thesis was I was looking at spins. And if you have spin functions and spin wave function, you can actually show that the spins live in, to completely describe them, live in 4D space. And how can you say that? Like, if you have a spin, let's say you measure it, it points up. And the probability you measure it up or down, if you don't know what it is given by certain probabilities, by quantum probabilities. But you can actually model that by a Möbius strip. And that was something I did in my master's thesis. I developed little 3D printed models to show the equivalent of what a spin would look like as a spherical harmonic. So you have spherical harmonics, which are basically modes, so states of oscillation that a sphere-shaped object can have. Like, for example, if the Earth is vibrating through earthquakes, you can model that with superpositions, like adding up and weighting several modes of oscillation of a sphere. Or if you've got a soap bubble, the way it oscillates, you can model that by that. Like, everything that's in a sphere and oscillates a bit, you can model that by using different modes. So states that are very fundamental, and adding them and weighing them, and then you get new things. It's like, and you can do the other thing. Like, if there's something oscillating, you'd reduce it down to a composition of these basic modes. And I did that for spin. And you can actually show that in spin, it is similar, but it is also different, because in spherical harmonics, you have nodal planes. So there's a sphere, like if you have a sphere, most easy sphere you have, like it's going up and down. I will just show the upper half of the sphere. Like, imagine this is a soap bubble up and down, you know? But what it does is, like, at this line, it stays constant, like there's no movement. So there are always points of no movement on a spherical harmonic, and that's what classifies them. It's the nodal lines. It's the lines where everything, the oscillation is always zero. And you can actually transfer that to spin, but in spin you don't have these areas. Like for a soap bubble, if it moves like this, like there's an area, a whole area where nothing moves. But with spins, there's just a column, like a one-dimensional line that doesn't move, which is so weird. And we went further, so then we found that you can model that by using a Möbius strip, because that's the same thing, because a Möbius strip has basically, it's a strip that has one twist. So if you go around it, you end up on the other side of the strip, and then you go around it again and you come back to where you were. And that's actually how you can explain spins, because there is like an ambiguity. So if you're at one point of the Möbius strip, you don't know in quantum physics perspective if you're on top of it or below it, like, so which direction. And you can actually move twice around the strip, so to speak, and then only you get to the original state. So if you take spins, if you take a spin up and you turn that spin up 360 degrees, so you turn it 360 degrees, it won't come up the same, but it will be downwards. And you can empirically prove that they've done that in experiments in the, I think, 1990s, 2000s. perhaps earlier, perhaps a bit later, but that's like incredibly mind-blowing. And then you have to turn it by 360 again, and then it shows up again. So you see the 4-dimensionality or high dimensionality in those experiments, I would argue, and you can have other interpretations. But then we went from that and actually mapped the Möbius strip through a topological action into Hilbert space, like if you cut it along. Can I do that here? I'm not going to do it. So we modeled that into topological space that is the Hilbert space, so not our Euclidean space. And you could see that there's a mapping. And if you do that in Hilbert space, you have actually a string that is twisted in itself. And depending on the number of twists, it's actually which particles it is in reality. So bosons and fermions are different in Hilbert space, topological different strips that are twisted, and they're not real strips. Like, it's a functional strip, which is like you might interpret that far too literally and think there's like floating strings in Hilbert space. It's just a metaphor. Like, it's not really that. It's just describing its function. And we also went further and modeled entanglement. That's why I know this was a big backstory, but we modeled entanglement with that. And you can actually show, so you have two strips representing two particles. And each time, any interaction with particles, whatever it is, a photon, an electron, a neutron, whatever you have, quarks, if they interact, they become one object and then split apart again. And that basically means that particles that collide, for example, like if you take the more classical billiard ball analogy, it's not that two particles are two billiard balls, it is, the moment they hit each other, they become one thing. And the moment they go apart, they become two things again. And the question is, for example, are the particles the same? Because the particles that go into the collision become one thing and then they split apart again, but are they still the same? There could be new ones. Like, it's just like taking something from this combined state again. And that is exactly an entangled state. Every time something interacts, things become entangled and then they disentangle. But if you make the state survive, the two particles actually are the same thing. And the fun thing is the non-locality is that you could measure that. Like, if you measure this object, like they collide, and it doesn't have to be collision, but it's to make more an analogy. But if they collide and you have this thing and you don't measure it and they don't go apart anymore, and you can do that and it happens, and that's quantum technology, what it's based on. But if you do that, they stay this thing. And if you then know where the particles are, though, like, this is not local, not local, not in space-time, it's in 4D space, this object. So if you then in 3D space know that the particles are somewhere, you actually know that the object is seen from two places. And when you then measure it, the object goes apart again, and the entanglement is broken, and in two places you get information. You can't transfer information, but you get information. And that's basically the topological explanation of quantum physics. And this basically means that every interaction is basically a wormhole. It's not necessarily an Einsteinian wormhole or an Einstein-Rosen bridge, though some have argued it is, because every time these particles interact, they become this one thing, and that is the same place, so to speak. So it's a wormhole, even though if it's in 2 points in space-time, but in this higher dimensional space, it is one place. It just looks like two places from our 3D perspective. And that's what a wormhole is. So every time something interacts, there's a wormhole, basically. And now the only question, and no one has answered yet, I think, is how then do we even have 3D space? If everything is just interacting, like, what is the projection? And that's the measurement problem, that's quantum measurement, that's all the things we don't understand about quantum physics. But yeah, so that was a tangent. So we now talked about this first thing. So a non-local quantum hologram. It's basically how I would headcanon this to make it fit very well. It's like, okay, in the ring, there's a quantum thing, a quantum state that's somehow not decoherent, so it's not getting apart. So we have this quantum state, and people can tap in, and it can tap into people. And even though it's at one place, it also is at two places, because we are 3D people. So, and it's hologram, we know what it is.
The phase conjugate adaptive waves.
The phase conjugate adapted wave. I mean, that's basically, that's it has some sense, but I'm not gonna explain it here because it's some technical stuff. Phase conjugates are basically matching parts in a certain way. So you basically have things in your brain that can couple to these things. I'm not gonna go more into it because it's just basically maths a lot. Yeah, and microtubules in the brain. That's because the brain is arguably a quantum computer, because the brain works not only with neurons but with electrons as well. So the electrons basically are quantum states. So the brain is in part a classical quantum hybrid computer, a biological one. So the resonating is, because it's quantum resonation, it's not literal resonation, it's quantum resonation with the electrons in the brain here. So it's not like the brain tubes really oscillate, but the electrons oscillate. And yeah, so I don't know if you care even about what I'm just saying. Which of course because some closed timeline curves. I mean, yeah, so this basically Lorentzian manifold means you have to model space-time here. And a closed timeline curve, so you have to make sure, I'm not gonna go into this deep because it's just getting confusing probably already, but it's basically telling us, okay, yeah, we measure stuff, but we make sure that it stays entangled. I think that's what they want me to think I don't know. I wonder who wrote this. It's very good. So Lorentzian manifold is something where we can calculate a relativity theory on. A Lorentzian transformation is that a transformation in relativity. So indeed, they combine quantum physics and relativity. What I said earlier in the episode, I was completely right. They are a civilization that has found the unified theory, which he basically says here as well.
You catch up. I'll wait.
Yeah, okay, that was it. That was 3 lines of dialogue. I talked for a lot of time. I hope you skipped it if you didn't care, but that was awesomely written dialogue.
So a crime scene. Crime scene.
Yeah, crime scene, yeah.
We gotta go. Come on, to the station, to the nucleus.
Yeah, the nucleus.
Thing. I got a case to solve, and you want the truth.
Yeah. What truth does he want, though?
Seem different.
Yeah.
Signal's pretty good inside the ring.
That's awesome.
It's really good.
Yeah, this program is doing a very good job here. Is he gonna go outside? That's awesome. So the nucleus is probably also just the technology as well. I just love this show, man. It's so well written, physics-wise. Really well done. I try to write my my sci-fi the same way. I don't use the technical terms though to make it more accessible. So I hope you will read it. They don't have comms. Will she see the floaters?
Guys.
No. So let's see. I mean, they can't shoot her down, but that's so sad. Yes, Naomi, you are back to your family that you found, not the family of your past. Oh. So, Holden, what are you gonna do here? That's awesome. Does Alex know? It looks so cool. So cool. Deactivate mag boots. Float up towards the sphere. Reminds me a bit of Interstellar. Also a bit of the Shanti protomolecules. No, the protomolecule, the Shanti protons. That's pretty far away though. No! You fucking dumb fucking shit. Okay, that was one of my favorite episodes. Again, these are so on fire. And the physics was... Stupid advert again. The physics in this was so good. And, I know I talked a lot and interpreted it a lot and it made sense to me. And I probably babbled some mumbo-jumbo bullshit for half an hour in your view. I hope you excuse that if you are not here for that and skipped it. But if you're here for that, I hope you had some fun. And I really, really love that. They just put in buzzwords in Miller's dialogue. Lorentzian means relativity, quantum entanglement means quantum physics. They control both. They resonate with the brain. So, it makes sense. You can make it headcanon if you're an expert, and it is very awesome, but you don't need to know. You would probably also get the gist from not diving into those 3 sentences for half an hour. And I did tell you some of my research, so I don't know. Yeah, so let's actually end it here, and I will watch the next one soon. And thank you so much for watching, as always. Tell me if you liked this. I mean, it was one of the longer science things, but I guess that's why you're here, watching it by a physicist. Just love this show so much. And yeah, consider liking, subscribing. As always, share the videos around. And yeah, I hope you look out for my sci-fi as well a bit, because you will see a Type 2 civilization, how I envision it. So anyway, it's also a bit of Hunger Games. It's Hunger Games mixed with Forever War, so we'll have some fun, I guess. Anyway, take care of yourself and see you around. Bye.